Big news guys, Interactive Brokers just announced that they are officially accepting fund transfers from your Wise account, and some of you might have even received this email invitation from them to link your IBKR account with your Wise account. And let's not be mistaken with the previous Wise Direct ACH method that I've shown you guys before. That method still works but requires a little bit of setup and it's not that straightforward. As for this one, it just requires you to set up in your Interactive Brokers account funding section, and you basically have your Wise and your investment account linked forever. Pretty neat, right? This feature is available for all eligible IBKR clients by the end of March 2023. Basically, if you're under IBKR US, IBKR United Kingdom, Ireland, Central Europe, Hong Kong, IBKR Canada, and IBKR Australia, then good for you. But if you have no idea how to check which IBKR entity your account is under, at the home page, just go to Performance and Reports and click into Statement. And at this page, you can click onto the arrow beside Activity and simply run the report in the PDF format. And there you go. You can see it at the first page of the PDF report you just downloaded. And mine is Interactive Brokers UK, which stands for United Kingdom. So yes, I'm eligible for this new Wise linking feature, but unfortunately I'm not part of their early access list. So stay tuned to the channel for a more in-depth tutorial on how to use this feature for easier account funding. Now, for those of you that are not familiar with Wise, Wise, or formerly known as TransferWise, is a global payment service company that is listed on the London Stock Exchange with a market cap of over £6 billion as of the recording of this video. And they are also well regulated by authorities all around the world. They will allow you to hold around 55 different currencies, and their cross-border money transfer and foreign exchange services comes at a super competitive rate, and you are almost always guaranteed the best currency exchange rate when you send your money with them. On top of the transparent pricing structure, lightning fast transfer process, and really simple user interface that I am sure you will agree with me if you give them a try. I've previously made a video on how to create a Wise account, so feel free to check out the card at the top right hand corner or the description box down below. And in case you come from a country that uses one of these listed currencies such as the Malaysian Ringgit or Indonesian Rupiah, no problemos, because you can easily open a US dollar balance in your Wise account, fund it with these currencies and convert them to US dollar, and then you are basically free to transfer it into your Interactive Brokers account when the linking feature is available to you very soon. So gone are the days where you have to set up a separate Singapore bank account or struggle with foreign telegraphic transfer with your local bank account and get charged with a ton of fees, or just waiting forever for your money to arrive, because now that you can officially link your Wise account with your Interactive Brokers account, that is just game changing. So yeah, I just wanted to inform you quickly about this exciting news because I literally jumped out of my chair when I hear this. Imagine having a multi-currency account on steroid linked to one of the best, if not the best, investment platform. That is just perfecto. And stay tuned to this channel as I will be making a tutorial on how to set up that linkage as soon as I get my hands onto that new feature. But until then, if you still don't have a Wise account, feel free to check out my links in the pinned comment down below to enjoy some discounts on your first transfer. Or even better, check out this video to learn everything about getting your very first Wise account in just a few minutes. See you over there.